Have you ever been there and then you want to understand exactly where the market will be heading? But to do that, it takes a lot of time and a lot of energy to really get to master exactly how the price it moves in the market. By the end of this video, you will be able to read crypto, you will be able to read stocks, you will be able to read any chart in the market across all the trading platforms. And if you're really struggling to make money in this market, go on and stick with me up the end and make sure you don't skip any minute in this video, because I'm going to place there an emoji which will help you to grab our VIP program, which means you will be getting our signals for free. Make sure to find that emoji which you will see in this video, comment it below there in the comment section. I'm going to leave the email. When you get it right, then you will be qualified to be in our VIP program. So let me take you directly to the chart and I show you exactly how you will be reading any kind of the chart. First thing first, what you have to do, go on and open your MT5. If you don't have MT5 on your phone, go on Google Play Store and download MT5 or MetaTrader 5. It will be easy for you to follow these things. And if you are using laptop, go in Google, just type the MT5 or MetaTrader 5. It will pop up and then you download that. So after downloading your MT5 to your trading gadget, what you have to do, you open any kind of the chart. Now here we have our VIX75 index. This is what I love me to trade so much. Make sure you are on 30 minutes. So the next step after doing that, what you have to do, make sure your charts are clean. There is no anything in the background. You can see my charts are very clean. Are you getting the point? After doing that, what you have to do, look for the settings. Just what you have to do, tap once in your screen like that, then the screen will pop up and then you come to the settings. You can see settings are this side, so you have to click in that settings button. So are you getting the point? When you click that settings, scroll down a little bit and you find period separator. You can see that this is our what? This is our period separator. Are you getting the point? And then you have to tick this out. So let us tick that. We have to tick it, then we are done. We have to go back. If we come back here, we can see that these separators is they are going to separate these our charts into daily. Are you getting the point? So by which means from A to B, that is going to be a complete whole day, by which means that is the day which we are going to be trading. Are you getting the point? That is the use of the daily separator. So if you are using TradingView, what you have to do, go to the time frame and then you go to the daily time frame. When you come to the daily time frame, you will use the vertical line like this. Vertical line, you start marking every candlestick of the daily until you hit 30 candles. Are you getting the point? Until you make it, they become 30 candles. So when you come to the 30 minutes, you can see that the line which I have drawn, they have covered the daily separator exactly. From this point, it is the opening and close of the day, and this will be the closing and opening of the next day, which means will be tomorrow. The market can move up to here and then it closes, then it opens. Now tomorrow we will start looking our entry according the price action, what we will tell us. So after separating you charts in a daily time frame separation period, are you getting the point? What we have to do now, we are going to move a day by day. We calculate 30 days. Are you getting the point? Now we are going to use only 30 days to read this volatility 75. Are you getting the point? This will help to read any kind of the chart by using this style or by using this way. Are you getting the point? So what are we going to be looking? We are going to be looking the behavior, the performance of this volatility 75 every single day. How does it perform? How does it behave? Its behavior on every single day. Are you getting the point? So we are going to go back to minute 30 and then we start exactly where our last line is here.
This is our last line here, our first line. Now we are going to move day by day after putting our daily separators, and then we see. Now we can see if we do like this very well, you can see that the market, how it have been coming, behaving here on the first day. The price when the day opens here, after the day opens, we can see that the price takes off this low. Do you see it came, made a low, made a high, made a low, made a high, made equal, it closed here. Now the day opens, it goes up, take this high, after swiping that high, and then moved back down. Are you getting the point? Now, so by which means the day when it was closing that night, the day was moving sell. Are you getting the point? So we don't need to look for the buy. We will use yesterday to get to predict today how will happen. Do you see? Do you see that? Now, which means now we have to this day. Yesterday, market was making the lower lows and lower highs, and it closed. Are you getting the point? So we can see here the indication that this double tops here was taken down, which means the all buyers which are here, they was faked out. They was faked out them. Are you getting the point? After taking them out, now we are having a big momentum. You can see that it is strong. This indicates that the sellers, there are too many in the market. There is no going up. Why? Because you can see here we had what? We had a break of the structure. If you can see this here, we had a big break of this area, key level here. What we can say that the market it have break up and then come to make a retest. Are you getting the point? This is a ceiling. Are you getting the point? It was a support when the market moved here and then comes up. This becomes a support, but when it breaks that level and comes back, it becomes what? A resistance, which means why it is a resistance, or how, or why it is a ceiling. A ceiling, it is because that anything moving from down, let's say that this is a boy here and then having what? Having a ball. Are you getting the point? And when it kicks the ball and it goes up, it have found a ceiling upwards. Now the ball, it have come back down. That's what we call a resistance. That the something which is stops the ball to penetrate and it goes up. This becomes what? Becomes a ceiling. Are you getting the point? It becomes a ceiling. Now the ground also, it will, when the ball come and hit the ground, it will bounce and goes up. This becomes a support because it have supported the ball to move upward. Are you getting that? So we can see that here we had one touch, second touch, this, do you see? Which means it is strong, that it indicates also a sell. Before this happens, before we get this information, remember the day after closing and open, we had also this information only. So we can read the market, we can see that now here, it was here a strong zone here. We broke up, and also this one, we broke it, and then we came back to mitigate the broken order block at around this area. Are you getting the point? And then the market pushed down. We have to look the sell. Now we can see the following day what happened. The market played around this area. Do you see? So we come back. Now this market, when it's moving down, what does it? Which patterns are they forming there? Which kind of the pattern? Which style do I have to use to trade? Are you getting the point? So you can see that we have many styles of trading. Are you getting the point? Does it fit on your trading strategy? Let's say that now we are going to use our trend line breakout. Now let us say that we are going to use a trend line breakout. Now minute starter, you can see this was a high, this was a low, this was a high, this is a low, this is a high. If we use here trend line breakout, does it work? Are you getting the point? If you can use a trend line breakout, yes, we can see that when this candle breaks our trend line and the market, we executed here, but the market came above and takes our stop loss here. Are you getting the point? Why the top loss was hit? You can see that here the market knew, the market makers knew that Whenever they give you this signal, they will come and take your stop loss, because we are going to put the tighter stop loss. Are you getting the point? That's why sometimes when you execute, you have to leave some gap. Let us say that this is our entry point. Are you getting the point? We entered at exactly here. We don't put exactly the stop loss here. We leave some few pips above to leave the market. If it have given us signal executed, the market can come and play above little bit, and then it continue to our side. That's why sometimes you can come and see and what, and the market hits you out and then go to your direction. Yes, also you can read the market. You know, this day if I was trading, now how does the market hit? How does the market move? You can see that now this is the behavior of 75, which have it. Whenever it breaks this trend line, it comes to take this what? To take these early sellers. Okay, you note it down, early sellers. So whenever I see this, then I don't execute. I have to wait the market come and takes this high here, take this high here. After that market takes high, I will wait the rejection from that candle. So from this zone which was taken up, exactly which stop hunts and then move down. So after stop hunting and the market, does it move directly or not? No, it does not move. It does not move directly. What to have to do to wait? So if I wait, what do I wait? You have to wait a bearish engulfing. You can see that the market here, it's when the day was about to close, it gives what? A bearish engulfing. Are you getting the point? Now we have read that. We are still reading the market. Are you getting the point? And okay, when it breaks the trend line, it comes back to make the stop hands. After making the stop hands, when it starts moving, it gives us what? A bearish engulfing candle. What is the bearish engulfing candle? The bearish engulfing candle, it is the candle which is overlapping another candle. You can see this candle here overlaps this candle here. This candle here overlaps this candle here. So whenever you see this candle, it have overlaps, you enter. No. Why? Because you have to move with the market and they understand. You can see that the bearish engulfing candle came after us to get our what? To get our zone here. Remember, this is our key level here. Do you see that when we have our resistance and the market come back to make a retest of it, if it gives me, I have to wait, and it gives me a trend line breakout, by which means I have to trade when the market is going to the sell. So what you have to do here, you have to wait the market pulls down and start making the higher highs and the higher lows. So if it gives you this so they will help you to get where you will draw your trend line. Are you getting the point? So after getting where you will draw the trend line, you can identify other things like how the market behaves after breaking the trend lines. All of those, they will help you to know that not to execute faster in the market. You wait, the market gives you exactly what you want, all criterias when they align with your strategy, and then you go on. Are you getting the point? Now you can see that here the bearish engulfing, it's when happens and on the key level. You can see it exactly here. It's when the bearish engulfing happens. You execute here, you stop loss above, and then you target 1 to 2. Are you getting the point? Oh, not 1 to 2. Let us say that you have only $50. Are you getting the point? You have only $50. Now you have executed here, which means that $50, when you execute around this area, you have executed here, which means from here to here, you are going to lose $10. You will remain with 40 if it loses, which means now I have to make 3 times of this. So let us see. Did we made 3 times or we made 1 time? So let us calculate this area. Are you getting the point? We are going to do like this. we are going to do like this. From here to here, it's our execution point. So we made 1 time, that is 1 to 1, and then 2 times, that is 1 to 2. Do you see? Which means if the market, if this price the next day, it's going to move 2 times of these things. That is the behavior. After moving that, it will come back. Also, you read that, that is the behavior. Are you getting the point? So now we see the behaviors. That is how the market, it moves. Every kind of the pair, every kind of the asset have its characteristics or its behavior. Are you getting the point? That's why you have to read first. So let us say that we don't use the trendline breakout, and then we are going to use FX Div's strategy. So what we have to do, we have to identify the yesterday price action, what did when the day was closing. We can see here the market come and takes this low and then wiped this high here when the price was moving upward. Let me do like this. If we can read here, you can see that very well here. The market came and takes this low when it came like that, which means this, it is what, a high, a lower high, and this is a lower high here, and this is here, it is a lower low. We can see that this lower low here was taken off, and this also lower high was came, and then they take this high. So if we get this, for us, we know that we know now it's time to go to the sell side. So if we are going to the sell side, what we have to do, we have to get our equipment. Are you getting the point? For us, we are not going to use this support and whatever. What we have to do to identify only this area here, we do like this, and then we identify where the power came from. The power came from here and then pushed down. So this here, around this area, we are going to identify area of interest, our point of interest. So we have to identify this, the last sweeping candle which swept that, and then we move down. Are you getting the point? So after that, we wait the price to come back to our point of interest. So when the price come to our point of interest, also we back test this. Are you getting the point? We back test this. When the price comes to that point, what happened? Are you getting the point? What happened? You can see that it came very well and then try to move upward and then bypass our point of interest. Are you getting the point? So which means we have to diving into low time frame. We see exactly when the market comes at around this area, and then what happened. We see that whenever it comes to this, they know that those market makers, if we execute here, they will come back. We have tight stop loss, and then they take us out, and then they move on. So we know that exactly that happens. Now, when the market hit to our point of interest, we will not execute. We will wait until they sweep out that one. So after sweeping out, we will use the same criteria around here. We are going to use the same criteria at around this area here exactly. We do like this. We go to minute 1 or minute 5. We do like this. We wait the price to come and tap to our point of interest like that, and then when the price was coming to our point of interest, comes make a high, make a low, make a high. It enters to our point of interest in the low time frame. We wait to confirm that now it's the time to move to the downwards. So remember, when it moves to the downwards, it have to break this low. If it respects this low, which means it will just bounce from this area, it will tap in here, come here, not break out, and then it continue to goes up, making the higher highs and higher lows. But if it have that not happen, the market will come and tap in to our point of interest, making high, making low, making high, tapped in, come and break this area here. If it breaks it, we look the same criteria here. We can look the order block. Are you getting the point? Favorable gap around this area, and then we execute from there, and then we take the market down. Are you getting the point? If we don't look the favorable gap, the order block, and then we will look the broken order block which is not retested. If you can see here in minute 30, after the market goes up here, this is what broken order block, which came very well retested, mitigated here for the first time, and then for the second time, and then the market continue to the other side. So another thing what you have to do, we read the behaviors only. When the day is closing, what does the market do? You can see if the day closing, what does the market do? And then after the day closing, what the price does after the day closing. Do you see that whenever this 75, the day close, when another day opens, it moves more than 50 pips. These are more than 50 pips. At night you are sleeping, but the money is going. At night you are sleeping, the money is going. Do you see? So, which means you execute at night 2 hours to 3 hours, you are in profit. You're done. Are you getting the point? You can also read this. So another thing, you can see now the day when it's going to close. Are you getting the point? Yeah. Another day when it opens at night, the price moves. Do you see? And then other traders comes tapping in, and then you can see the market does whatever in the day, trading daytime. Here the market makes a lot of noises. Are you getting the point? You buy, it sells, you sell, it buy, you buy, it sells. Do you see that? Also the next the buy, you sell, they buy, you say. Do you see? All of those, you read them like that. So we continue to see the behaviors, and we know exactly what does the market behaves. So after understanding that whenever this price, whenever this 75 closes the day, when it opens, if it is selling, it sells massively. That is one point. If it buys massively. Oh, so now we will not trade during the day. Are you getting the point? In the morning, afternoon, evening, we will not trade. For us, we will wait at night. If we wait at night, we will wake up. We wait exactly the price to come, and this line here will pop up for another new day. The day closes, and then another one opens. Then we wait to see. Minute 30, what does it gives us here? After the day opens, we look for our strategy. Does it fit here? If our strategy fits here, we will start using this. Are you getting the point? So we buy. For us, people in the day when they will be struggling, looking for the entries during the day here, for us, we will be enjoying the money. We are in profit. People, they are looking to buy and sell, and then they take their monies here. For us, we are in profit. Are you getting the point? Do you see? Do you see this? The day when it closes, and then it opens. Sell. Are you getting the point? Massive sales. So the next day also, you can see the next day also. You see this one here. The market opened, sale, we sold the whole day. Now someone who doesn't know to trade the continuation, if you are used to trade the reversals, by which means now the date have opened here, now it makes the lower lows and the lower highs, you have to wait. Now the price make a high, break the structure, and whatever, everything come, and mitigation, what you start looking the trend reversal for looking for the buys. Now this day you didn't trade, the whole market was sell. Why? You just look the strategy around here, but you don't know what you are trading, what's its behavior. Are you getting the point? These are the top secrets of the gurus of your mentor. Can't tell you, but here we FX Devs mentors, we give you everything, and these are the top things what we are teaching in our coaching program. Are you getting the point? Our coaching program, it's only for this $350, and then we are going to be moving with you, walking with you a step by step, showing you all pro tips what you need so to become a profitable trader by using our concept. Are you getting the point? So let us continue. Do you see the way how the market is moving? So what I have to do, let me open another pair here so that we can also, I'm going to open 150. Now I have opened here this pair, it is 150, and also we same thing to see that now its behavior. You see, I told you that every kind of asset, it moves on its different. We do the same thing. We go to the 30 days and then we come testing day by day, implementing our strategy. Does it work there? If the strategy is not working there, so look the pair which we follow your rules. Are you getting the point? If you are trading breakout, trend line, support and resistance breakout, now you can see here, now the day when it opens, are you getting the, also it moves down, it comes back, retests this. So this pair here have the behavior of coming back and retest in the afternoon, midday here, it's when it gives a massive move and then no entry here. Are you getting the point? No giving any pattern, it goes up. So if you are trading the pattern, now you have wake up, you see the price now, which pattern do we have here? In the during the day, we can see here we have what? A continuation pattern. We have a flag. If we do like this here, you see that the market move down, that is we have a continuation pattern here. Are you getting the point? So this 75 here, you can draw your trend line like that. You get this pattern here because here we have a rally, base, and then rally. You see that? So okay, you can master that. That is the how it behaves. Now after and the night, what does it do? It also continue giving us another pattern here. You wait after the closing, after the day close, and when it continues to open the new day, do you see it did something? What happened here? And then it repeated it at around here, gives the good moves, and it have a behavior of coming to retest where it breaks from. Do you see? After giving the pattern, the market breaks, comes back and retest. Okay, now I'm going to trade what market tells me. If I have been trading the trend line breakout, now I will not use the trend line breakout. I will try to look the pattern, this here exactly. If I don't see it, I don't trade it. I do like this. I find now where the keys was broken out. These are the area which broken out. So I will wait the retest. If the market come here to make a retest, what does the things happen here in minute 30? We do everything in minute 30. Remember, we execute in minute 30. We make our, we read the price movement in minute 30. We implement our trading strategy in minute 30. Everything goes here, unless you want to use FX Dive strategy. Are you getting the point? So if you want to implement that FX Dive strategy, you have to buy our course, and then we work for you a step by step to include, to show you all pro cons that you will use before you click buy and sell. Are you getting the point? Now we can see now today. Are you getting the point? Now today, when I'm making this video, you can see the price, what it does. Yesterday, when it closed, do you see? We have this massive pattern here. Yesterday, when it closed, and here we have what? We have a breakout. Are you getting the point? After breaking out, remember it have a behavior of coming the retest, and then we made a retest. Are you getting the point here? And then we got a good bearish engulfing here. If we execute for the sell and we continue down, and then the stop loss was hit. Do you need to get a sniper entries? Always the market always will take your stop loss. For it, it's right to take what it's right. We have to follow it, and then we make the money. So why here the market was hit this? Go back here and see very well why the market goes up. Yes, what was the yesterday? If you can remember very well where we started from. What was the yesterday trend? The market was moving. You can see make the high, make low, make high, make low. It is on uptrend. Remember, this is a big time frame, minute 30. Are you getting the point? But which means to confirm that now the trend has changed, we had to take this swing low here. Which means if we can take this is what here we have a change of character. At this area, we have this change of character here, and then we come. We mitigate this one. We have to break this low here. After this low get broken, we wait, and then we sweep up this area here. When we sweep up, we go to the low time frame. We look something like this: low, high, and then we broke that. We come, we execute here, and then we take the market down. Did all of those happens? No, we didn't get them. No trade here. So do you see that there are many things you want to be having in mind, and then you put them together so that you can get a good bias. Are you getting the point? First, you have to identify the trend. What is the trend? The trend, it is when the market is making the high highs and high lows, which means it is going upward. This is uptrend. Are you getting, bro? Don't look sales here when the market is showing you that it is going up. I think you have got me. Okay, okay, let us say if you see the market is going up, you look for the sales. You will tell me later. If you don't want to follow what I have told you, that when the market is going up, look for the buys. For you, okay, you look sales. You will tell me. You will put it in a comment when the market is going up, and for you look sales. What happened? So if you have not hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting? Bro, you are going to miss a lot of things which we are still sharing with you guys. Bro, if you have not hit that, oh my god, bro, if you have not hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting? You will miss a lot of information if you don't really subscribe to this channel. Are you getting the point? And don't hesitate to share these things to your friends. You people, do you know, once you want to make we are giving things for free, and also for you you don't want to share it with your friends. But when will you stop you people, when will you stop those bad hearts, you guys? You see something good, you keep it, because man, remember, you will not make money on Forex when you are not sharing any good thing with your friends. That's why I can't make money if I don't teach you this. Are you getting the point? When I'm teaching you this, I make money because I'm sharing this information with you for free. Even you have not paid me. But if you want to master like how I trade, then you will pay me because you want to trade like me. For me, I'm showing you how to read your market, implement that strategy, what you have, and then trade, make your money. You will thank me later. When you are turning that your $100 into $1,000, you will come after years and you thank me when I'm showing you this information. But if exactly you want to trade like me, then you will pay me, bro. I told you my coaching program, it is $350. If you don't have it, be there, they hit you stop loss until by the time when I was starting trading, I struggled to look something like this which can wipe me and show me exactly what to do. I never found it anywhere. People, they can show you something which is complicated, and then even you can't understand. For me, I have tried here to tell you everything, even, oh, bro. I wish if I could get, I wish by that time I could get a mentor like this one who can give something free like this, which is not complicated, and then it could be now a trillionaire right now. I could smart the market like nothing. But you know, to start from scratch and then you figure everything to see that up to now, I can tell you the market can behave like this and it behave like so. I can tell the market now it will buy, it buy exactly, it will sell and it sells exactly. Do you know how much effort which I have invested there? So if you can come in my inbox and then you want to reduce for you the money so that I can give you all my head and I fix it to you. This information which I'm going to give you when I'm coaching you, it will benefit you, it will benefit your kids, your grandpapa, I don't know. Bro, stop sitting on yourself. This is the year of changing. Now, it's your time. For me, I have done my job. Are you getting the point? If you want exclusive things, you will buy my course so that I can teach you. Live teaching. You ask me, I answer you. What you want, I give it to you directly. Are you getting the point? I have showed you exactly how to read the market, and then you are going to also continue looking for another video how to read the market. Then things now, the head, you will be, I don't know, you will put information per information, and then your brain, it will get paralyzed. If you try to remember anything, you can't remember anything because you have pulled there a lot of information. Bro, make sure you rub those informations what you have in your head. If you see they are not making for you money, Put the new information in your head. Are you getting the point? Which will make you your money. And another thing, what I want to guarantee you, bro, that what you know, it can make you a millionaire. And tomorrow you buy your Lamborghini, what you want. You buy your heavy land there. You put your cows. You become a big man in your village. You start helping people. Are you getting? You help those kids on the street and then you give them everything. Are you getting the man? Are you getting that man? That strategy what we have is working. So come back at this, like the way how I showed you. Find your favorite chart. What you see that yes, this when I tell you to buy it, we buy. When I tell you to sell it, we sell. Bro, stop wasting time. Stop wasting time. It's the time for making money. Not time for keeping crying, looking video up to video. I have given you everything. If you have any challenge, just put it there on the comment section. I will try my level best. If it is easy, if it will be easy for me to make for a video, I will make it by answering your challenge. And we will work as a team to see that we have helped you. You move from that deep hole which are crushing your money, and then you start making your money. Are you getting the point? Yes. Put any question there. Don't just watch and then you go without asking anything. You man, you want to tell me that you didn't hear that I'm telling you, ask your question here. Okay, stay your question, don't ask. Go and look your answer yourself. Keep quiet. You man, put things what I have told you. Stop watching this video, it's already over. What? Okay, have you seen the emoji now? Even you have not identified the emoji where it is now. The VIP is going. It have already passed. The VIP have left you now. Comment that emoji what you have seen there. I have left there the email. The email is there. Put that emoji what you have seen. I give you the free signals because maybe your eyes they were still hard to read these things. For me, I will help you to read for you for free. Deposit your money. The best brokers which we are using to trade, they are there in the description below. Click those brokers, open exactly broker with legit ones which we are using to trade. Open your trading account, deposit there your money. Make sure you have deposited $100. That is the minimum. Okay, man, make sure. Do you see this video here? It's going to pop up. I have put the link anywhere. Watch that video. Watch that video which is here. They are popping up. Click that. Go and watch that video. You will know exactly how to get those good entries by using our FX dives. Are you getting the point? Advanced scalping strategy. Is there? So, see you to the next episode. Peace. Much love.